Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial.
Let's make a cat. Orange is a popular color for cats, you know. Nope. You inflate a balloon. Stretch it first. You inflate it till there's about 7 inches left. And leave a nice long nozzle at the front because you will need it later. All right. I'm going to soften 2 bubbles. All right. Just like that. If you haven't seen my skills video, go check that out. I'll show you how to soften. Take that long nozzle, wrap it around. That's how you're going to hold this twist. Pull it through to make sure. There we go. Now we're going to need 2 1-inch bubbles. What we're going to do is we're going to fold those right over. We're going to fold those right over this part. Just like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the nozzle and wrap it all the way around. Just like that. Wrap it around the neck so that we get that cat head that we want. Just like that. See it? There we go. Now, we'll do a little 1-inch, 1.5-inch bubble right there for the cat's neck. Now we need a 2 or 3-inch bubble, 1-inch bubble, another 1-inch bubble, and another 2 or 3-inch bubble. Something like that. I'll show you how to do it again in case the video flips. I think it might have. 2 or 3-inch bubble, 1-inch, a 1-inch bubble, a second 1-inch bubble, and a 2 or 3-inch bubble here. Straighten those legs out, although a lot of the time when I give it to little kids, I like to do like this. And then I'll go, you're just going to let me give it to you like that? Come on. You know, razz them a little bit. Anyway, turn it over, and you got to bend the tail to make it look like a cat, right? There we go.